Modern warfare has changed, and the infantry fighting vehicle is one of the clearest examples of how. Ukraine didn't just show what happens when tanks face tanks. It showed what happens when armored vehicles face FPV drones costing a few $100s, loitering munitions, and an enemy tracking every movement from miles away. The old rulebook is gone. Rheinmetall looked at that battlefield and decided the next generation needed something fundamentally different. Their answer is the Lynx KF41, heavily armed, modular, digitally connected, and built for the kind of war actually being fought right now. Before we get into it, if you're finding value in these breakdowns, hitting like and subscribing to Reach Defense Media genuinely helps us keep putting this kind of coverage out. We'd really appreciate it. The central design philosophy is growth. Rather than optimizing for today and hoping for the best, Rheinmetall built an open architecture where almost every major subsystem, sensors, armor, turrets, electronics, active protection can be upgraded or replaced. It's designed to stay relevant for decades rather than become a procurement regret the moment a new threat emerges. Firepower comes from the Lance 2.0 turret, carrying a 30mm autocannon firing programmable airburst ammunition, rounds that detonate above trenches and behind walls, which is a polite way of saying cover becomes significantly less comforting. Add a coaxial machine gun and Spike LR2 anti-tank missiles, and the Lynx can engage enemy tanks at several kilometers. For an infantry fighting vehicle, that's a serious package. Protection layers, modular composite armor, mine and IED resistance, blast attenuating seats, and fire suppression, topped with the Strike Shield active protection system that intercepts incoming missiles and RPGs before impact. As Ukraine keeps demonstrating, active protection is shifting from premium option to baseline requirement faster than most procurement cycles can keep up with. The digital backbone is where the Lynx really separates itself. Battlefield management, sensor networks, drone feeds, and adjacent vehicles all feed into one shared picture. Crews get real-time updates, targets get shared instantly, and commanders gain situational awareness that used to require considerably more guesswork. The Lynx KF41 Recce variant unveiled at Eurosatori 2026 takes it further. Telescopic sensor mast, full ISTAR capability, and a counter-UAS suite that detects and engages drones with the same airburst ammunition. The Lynx is quietly becoming a complete family of systems rather than a single vehicle. The export record speaks for itself. Hungary is manufacturing it domestically. Romania selected nearly 300 as part of its largest ground force modernization in decades. Italy is building Lynx-based vehicles locally. Ukraine is receiving the platform, with more expected to follow. The honest challenge is, it's still young and lacks the decades of operational history the Bradley or CV90 have built up. Add up to 44 tons, depending on configuration, weight creates real logistical headaches around bridges, fuel, and transport. And no active protection system makes any vehicle invincible. Ukraine proved that drones costing hundreds of dollars can kill vehicles worth millions. Tactics, air cover, and combined arms still determine the outcome. Technology just sets the ceiling. The direction of travel in armored warfare is clear. Networked, protected, drone-enabled, software-defined. The Lynx is already there. Most of its competition is still working out how to get there. Ensure you subscribe to Reach Defense Media for more content like this.